Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you hashtag Crafty Goals 2023, shop your stash and use your stash. I'm going to be using Under the Sea by Echo Park. I'm going to use a 12 by 12 pack and a little bit extra. Welcome back everyone. So I am participating in hashtag Crafty Goals 2023, and then also I'm going to be doing the shop your stash and the use your stash by Helen, Alma, and Cherryl. So I'm using the Under the Sea collection. It came out in 2017. I had purchased this at Tuesday morning. This is just a regular 12 by 12 pack. I'll do a full flip through in just a second of all the different sheets, but it also came with this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So this is what this looks like. I'm considering this a double kit smash because I'm also going to bring in 17 extra sheets of 12 by 12 and then a pack of ephemera. So here's what comes in this ephemera pack. And again, I have 17 extra sheets of 12 by 12 paper. A normal kit comes with 12 sheets. So I'm going to have 29 total sheets for this smash video today. So I've got my sheets and then my stickers and my ephemera. Here's what comes in the kit. So the back of this one actually is cut aparts. And so I have two sets of the cut aparts, and this is what the little sheets look like. I've got some 4x6s and some patterns, some sort of stripe image here with some little fish, some little Nemos, starfish, some like shells. It's a cool little submarine, some little fishes, more fishes. So this is called Under the Sea by Echo Park. So again, I'm going to be using up this entire kit plus the additional 17 sheets that I'm bringing in and as much of the additional embellishments that I have to make as many items as I can. I think I totaled 75 total items with this video that I'll show you at the very end. So these are what all the little sheets look like that come with this kit. So I've got 29 total sheets, again, Under the Sea by Echo Park. I did bring in some additional items. So we've got extra papers, the sticker sheet, the ephemera, again, for my hashtag Crafty Goals. So I've already cut down all of my projects, and this is what I have left over. So I have the branding strips. Again, I have 29 of these branding strips. I do save these because I like to put these little bits of patterned paper on the insides of my projects, usually my cards. I do have some additional scraps that I have left over, and these, are just perfect to go on the insides of those cards that I'm going to be making. And then I had some cut aparts that don't have real sentiments that I could use for pretty much anything. And I have these. I'll be using these to decorate, and they are double-sided. Everything's double-sided. And then I have two big projects. I've got some folios, and then I've got some mini albums. So 5x7 mini albums and 6x8 folios. And then I've got cards. I've got 60 cards that I've already prepped. And so what I did was I just cut some basic mats, put them on the front. I'll add some of those strips on the inside, finish decorating the fronts, and we're going to call it a day. These are going to be some Cards for Cubs. I'm finishing out my donation this coming week, so that's what I'm working on right now. So I've cut everything down. I'm going to use these stickers and this ephemera to finish embellishing and assemble all those projects. I will assemble everything off camera, and then I'm going to just do a full recap, which is going to be up next, of everything that I made. So here's my recap. Let's start with the empties. So I did use up the entire sheet of 12 by 12 stickers that came with the kit. And then this is the paper that I had left over. So it's pretty much just the branding strips. I've got a ton of those. And then these are my actual scraps, which is mostly just the backs of some of the branding strips also. So I'm okay with trashing that. And then I have this ephemera. So I did not finish this pack of ephemera. I did use a few pieces, but that'll just go back in my stash. I'm still going to consider this a smash kit. Let's see what I went ahead and made with this kit. So I made 60 A2 size birthday cards, and these were in Spanish. So one of the things that I wanted to do was send some of the Spanish cards to the Cards for Cubs. I brought in these two stamp sets. This one's called Hola by Waffle Flower. So I think I had purchased that at Not Too Shabby. And then this one I purchased at Hobby Lobby a while back. I think I picked that one up with my friend Toby when we went. So these were the two stamps I used. I made these very plain. Again, I just wanted to mass assemble some cards. So all I did was I added some scraps on the inside, and then I did a stitched circle with some stamped images, very plain coloring. And then I did add that little Feliz Cumpleaños or Happy Birthday in Spanish right onto the fronts of those cards. Just made them super easy, super quick. But again, I turned around 60 cards that I'll be adding to my donation for Cards for Cubs. And I do have some other videos where I talk about Cards for Cubs. We're at the ending point of their donation drive for this year. You can always make cards throughout the year. That's a really great idea, especially if you're not one that likes to mass assemble cards, but you still want to donate a ton of cards. Make them throughout the year. Cards for Cubs does this donation every year. They have for the last few years. I'll link a video at the very end of this one so you can get some ideas on how it works and get some more information to their card drive. So these were just the cards I made. Again, I went very simple with these. I used about 2, maybe 3 different versions of a large card bat, different sizes, but otherwise I just did similar circles, some similar images. I think I did 3 little patterns of images, and then I used the same happy birthday sentiment in Spanish on all of these cards because I wanted it to be a little bit more diversified for the foster kids. So those were my 60 cards. Again, a ton of cards, real basic, real quick and easy, but I think it's going to a great cause. And then I made 3 5x7 envelope albums. So these are really flat. I had made some of these recently, and originally I think I had seen Beth, who's Bourbon Creek Crafts, make some of these, and it kind of reminded me like, hey, let's make some of these. I love making these. And so I went ahead and made these. I've done these before on my channel, so I can link a video for those as well at the end. But they're just super fun, super easy to make. So I just added some little tuck spots, some pockets, really basic. And what I love about these is these are 5x7. So you could absolutely put a 4x6 picture in here and it would fit perfectly. This is what these look like. This is the third one. They're all very basic. I love the bright colors, the primary colors in this collection. I think it really lends itself well to the audience that I'm kind of aiming for here, which is, you know, more of a kid audience. And then I did do 2 folios, and these are the folios from May Made It. These are the 6x8 paper pad folios. So you open it up, it does have a magnetic closure. I have these little mat for photos inserts right here on each of the pages. I do have some pockets, and I have some additional little cut aparts and things in the pockets. This is what it looks like. I added 1 extra mat back here. So just really quick and easy, really fun folio. I've done this on my channel. I can link a tutorial either at the end or at the bottom, you know, description box. I made 2 of these, and I think these are just so super fun. One of my crafty goals every month is to make handmade gifts that I can put in my stash to have ready to hand out. So that's what I did. Another one of my goals is to make ATCs. So I went ahead and make 10 ATCs. These are artist trading cards. These are great to hand out or to send in Happy Mail or to send in gifts. And so that's what I did, was every month I want to try to make at least 10. So that way, whenever I need them, I already have them. So these are just fun little bitty small snapshots of some little fun paper crafting. So I made 10 ATCs. So this was my double 12x12 paper pad smash or paper pack smash, Under the Sea by Echo Park, hashtag Crafty Goals 2023, as well as Shop Your Stash Mar and Use Your Stash Mar from Helen, Cherryl, and Alma. So thanks for visiting, everyone. Here's a couple videos I think you might enjoy. Happy crafting!